Starting.
Introduce me as a cool guy.
No,
You're not cool. You're creepy. It's so dark in here. I'm gonna kick it. Look, the ball disappeared when it went out because it's so
You
bright.
should label this video playing with balls. And go home.
Shut up. Luke, you just hit the house? Are you leaving us, Luke? You're leaving?
What are we doing?
Oh, I leaked.
Huh?
Is that just iced tea?
Sweet tea.
Uh-huh.
Oh, these balls.
Luke!
At least he's aimed at me.
Ow.
Oh! Luke, you're hitting stuff. Look, there's a bullet on the ground.
Ow, that's all.
Why are you hitting everything?
Your turning circle radius is horrible.
You suck at turning.
Oh God.
Stop fighting a bag of salt. It's not going to fight back. Because it's not worth it. It's not worth it to fight back. Oh. Well, he destroys that bag. I'm going to go look at the baby birds.
The mother's on there.
What?
The mother's here.
The mother's here is probably mad. Luke, get away.
Luke, get away. The mother's here. Oh. As soon as Luke came into view.
Can you see that? It's baby birds.
I really want those baby birds on camera. Can you see them?
Yeah, kind of.
There's 4 of them now.
There are? Look, his ass is mouth open.
They expect food now. Don't get too close to your friend. So.
See him? Luke, get away.
The mother's probably.
The mother's probably like, I'm never coming back to you guys again.
I hate you.
We heard if you get too close to babies and their mother's around, they will never come back. If you like touch them or something. Look how pathetic my family is. Look it off. Look. It's dead grass. Boy. He says it's not dead. Why are you on your bike? This ain't no bike vlog. Unless you want it to be a bike vlog. Where are you going? You don't have any other friends, so where are you gonna go? We're about to hit the 5-minute mark.
Oh crap. It's a lot of minutes.
Yeah.
Some people record for 10 hours.
Yeah,
I saw someone.
people replay songs like 100 times for 10 hours.
I know I hate this song. Thanks.
It's
I
like
think no one's
you
watching.
just want to get rid of it. It's like garbage. Why would someone want to listen to a song 500 times in 10 hours?
Because
They have no social life.
For one song played over and over again for 10 hours. It's the most annoying thing. I sometimes click it because I'm like, Oh, I clicked the wrong thing. Okay, we're at the 5-minute mark.
Can I end the video?
Peace. I don't know what to call this video though. Bye. Peeps.